Using a product brief from your product management team in conjunction with marketing feedback, you're ready to begin crafting your positioning doc. The positioning doc is the master doc from which all other marketing communications are crafted. This doc will be used by your content team, PR, product marketing, outside agencies, etc. The positioning doc is living and breathing and must be updated on a regular basis. As a product marketer, you own this doc. If it's awesome, it's because you made it awesome. If it sucks, make it better because your revenue will be impacted. The positioning doc illustrates your unique value proposition to solve your customers' pain points. The positioning doc can be created assuming you and your product management team have extensively interviewed your target audience, asking them questions like, what are you currently doing to solve X problem? What is frustrating about solving X problem that way? When did you realize you needed to do something about X problem? What is the worst part about how you currently solve X problem? What feature of the way you currently solve X problem could you never live without? This should get the conversation rolling. Pick up on their tone, wording, what they call things, words they use to describe their problem, etc. What is a positioning doc made of? What are the elements? A positioning doc should be made of several parts that relate and build on each other. Here are the parts that make up a positioning doc. So you have a title of a positioning doc, your customer promise, product tagline, target audience description, key benefits 1, 2, 3, key benefit descriptions 1, 2, 3, support points for main benefit statements 1, 2, and 3. Your positioning doc should tell a story. There should be a beginning, middle, and end to each section in the doc. Now let's cover what a positioning doc would look like. For this purpose, we are going to pretend we are a trade show booth manufacturer and vendor, and our name is Express Displays. We have a positioning of fast display production, and we target event marketing managers in the United States. Title of positioning doc description. Place the name of the product next to the title of the target you want to market to. So title is Wowza, 10x10 pop-up display, marketing events manager, booth messaging. Customer promise description. The customer promise should include an overview statement that leads into your main benefit statements. So Wowza, our product, is engineered to last and printed with speed, allowing you to main benefit 1, 2, and 3. We'll add in these benefit statements later as we continue our journey exploring what the positioning doc is. Product tagline description. This is where you highlight your unique value proposition, or UVP. When considering a tagline, a good exercise is to think from the perspective of your user, then complete the following. My life would suck if I wasn't able to. What you place in the text after my life would suck if I wasn't able to becomes your tagline. So for Evernote, it's remember everything. Apple, think different. Nike, just do it. Google, do the right thing. Trello, organize anything. Coke, open happiness. You get the point. Think about this for your specific product though. What is unique about your product that would make your user's life suck if they didn't have it or have access to it? For example, what makes Wowza unique is its minimal setup time and its build quality. So a product tagline, my life would suck if I wasn't able to own the show. Target audience description. This is where you describe your target audience for your specific product. Focus on their problems because that's what your positioning doc should address. There shouldn't be a single ounce of doubt as to whether or not your product is the perfect solution to solve your target audience's problems or pain points. Many organizations create lengthy user personas for this section. Although it's a good writing exercise in my opinion, I've found these to be too lengthy, with the majority of the content never being used. A short pain point focused target audience section will be enough for you to write appropriately. Target audience overview description. The events marketing manager is busy, often overwhelmed with things to do, task-driven, organized, and takes pride in her work, especially when no problems arise before, during, and after an event. She worries about burdening salesmen with bringing a large, oversized booth container with them to check at the airport. She worries that her booths are clean. She worries about all the details of a show and if they are properly taken care of. For example, marketing collateral, booth signage, advertisements, speaking engagements, shipments, flights, hotels, sponsorships, etc. She worries that something on the booth will break. She worries that her booth will get lost in shipping. She worries that her booth will become outdated. She worries that the company she purchases her booth from will be unresponsive if she needs something fixed fast. She worries that if she needs a last-minute change to the booth, that she won't be able to get it done in time. She worries about making her display setup different from everyone else while at the same time not breaking the bank. She worries that she doesn't have enough time to accomplish her entire to-do list before an event. Categorizing into buckets. Once your target audience has been defined, go through each bullet point to bucket the overall category they fit in. This will help you determine what your 3 main benefit statement buckets are. So let's do that. She worries about burdening salesmen with bringing a large, oversized booth container with them to check at the airport. That's enabling sales staff. She worries if her booths are clean. Booth look, build quality, and budget. She worries about all the details of a show and if they are properly taken care of. That is event logistics. She worries that if something on the display breaks, it will be expensive to fix. Booth look, build quality, budget. She worries that her booth will get lost in shipping. Event logistics. She worries that her booth will become outdated. Booth look, build quality, and budget. She worries that the company she purchases her booth from will be unresponsive if she needs something fixed. That's support from a display company. She worries that if she needs a last-minute change to the booth, that she won't be able to get it done in time. That's support from Express Displays. She worries about making her display setup different from everyone else while not breaking the bank. Booth look, build quality, and budget. All those grouped together. She worries that she doesn't have enough time to accomplish her entire to-do list before an event. Event logistics. See how these are bucketing together? Now that you've bucketed each pain point for the events manager, you need to organize them to make it easier to put together your main benefit statements. Main benefit statements 1, 2, and 3. These statements should be considered as overview statements. In this step, you take your 3 main categories and write about them in a manner that shows how your product will alleviate the pain points with your product. These main categories are set up so that the support points can feed right into them. Remember what a benefit is? It's the statement that provides the answer to "so what" when discussing a feature or set of features. This is important because the answers to these "so what" statements should be direct responses to the problems or pain points that your target audience has. For our example company, Express Displays product, Wowza, a 10x10 pop-up display booth, we can break up the core benefits into the following. Number 1, shrink your events to-do list. That's event logistics. 2, get more out of your display with less budget. That's booth look, build quality, and budget. 3, have confidence in your display with our reprint and fix anywhere guarantee. That's support from Express Displays. Main benefit description. So this further explains your main benefit statements by introducing the features. Remember, these are taken directly from your categorized pain points. 1, shrink your event to-do list. Worry less about event logistics with a new display 48-hour turnaround printing, the world's most compact 10x10 display, and patented Express It Up technology. 2, get more out of your display with less budget. Wowza's customers' marketing dollars go further with an exclusive display design that includes a swag table, stain-resistant fabric, and an engineered display that's made to last. 3, have confidence in your display with our Reprint and Fix Anywhere guarantee. The Reprint and Fix Anywhere guarantee provides you with priority printing and replaces your display free in the event your booth is damaged. Now, let's add in your support points for your main buckets. These are simply answers to the pain points described above. The format is to combine features with "so what" statements. So, shrink your event to-do list. Get access to faster printing and shipping with our new display 48-hour turnaround so that you can spend your time preparing other things in your control before the event. Second, use the world's most compact 10x10 display, allowing your sales staff to pack it in their luggage for travel and helping you avoid shipping mistakes. Reduce your display setup time by 50% with our patented Express It Up technology so you can spend more time with prospects and less time on the show floor prepping. 2. Get more out of your display with less budget. Capture attention better than your competition with a display design that is exclusive to Express Displays and includes an integrated swag table. Maintain a clean display with stain-resistant fabric so that your booth will always look brand new. Travel the world with confidence because your booth is made with quality materials that endure punishment. 3. Have confidence in your display with our reprint and fix anywhere guarantee. Reprint your booth in as little as 1 day's notice so you can procrastinate all you want and still hit important deadlines. Get a new display delivered anywhere in the world for free in the event your booth is damaged with our reprint and fix anywhere guarantee. Notice how each of the pain points are addressed in the support points with benefits and features. And this is established by the product. This is how you entice purchasing. You resolve pain points with appropriate messaging. The important thing to remember here is you set your customer up with high expectations, so you had better meet them. Just remember, you got this.